Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the crop yield in the year 2007 was 67,436 kilogram and the crop yield in the year 2008 was 27,528 kilogram. In which year the crop yield was more and by how much? Here we have given crop yield in the year 2007 is 67,436 kilogram and crop yield in the year 2008 was 27,528 kilogram. So here we can observe that 67,436 kilogram is more than 27,528 kilogram. Hence, in the year 2007, the crop yield is or was more than the year 2008, and to find the more crop yield, we need to subtract this 27,528 from 67,436. 67,436 minus 27,528. 67436 minus 27528. Now here 6 minus 8 is not possible. So we borrow from tens place. So that 6 will convert it to 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 converted to 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So we borrow from this 7. So that 4 will convert it to 3. That is 13. 13 minus 5 is 9. 6 will convert it to 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. And we borrow from here, so that 6 will convert it to 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it is 39908. Hence, in the year 2007, crop yield was 39,908 kilogram more than the year 2008.